Good morning. Today we are going to talk about using area model to divide. Here in this example, we are going to solve it using the area model. Use the area model to solve the following problems. Here we have 4,944 divided by 12. To get the answer, first we need to draw a rectangle like this. I will divide it into here sections. The first one, we will write the dividend, which is 4,944 here, like this. And now, let's make 4,944 divided by 12. Can we make all this number divided by 12? No, it's so bigger. So we will take the first two digits, which is 4 and 9. We have here, so 49 divided by 12. And here we will write table 12 till to reach 49, or number close from 49. Here we have 12 times 0 equals 0. 12 times 1 equals 12. 12 times 2 equals 24. 12 times 3 equals 36. 12 times 4 equals 48. 12 times 5 equals 60. So we need number close from 49. Now we have here we have 0, 12, 14, 24, 36, and 48, 60. So the 49 is between 48 and 60. So we will take the 48, close and less. And now, write here 4 as a quotient up, and 48 under the 49. And now, we have here 4 and 4, we didn't use them. So we will put, instead of them, zeros up here. So it will be 400. And now, if we make 400 times 12, it will be 4,800. And now, let's subtract. 4 minus 0 equals 4. 4 minus 0 equals 4. 9 minus 8 equals 1. And 4 minus 4 equals 0, which has no meaning. And now, we finished the first step. So, let's take 144 to the other side here, or the another section to solve it. We have 144 here. Take the first two digits as we said before. Now 14 divided 12. 14 divided 12 equals what? Let's see in the timetable. We need number close and less. So here 14 between 12 and 40, 24. So we will take close and less as we said before. So it will be 12 by 1, which is 12. So we will write 1 up, and here instead of this 4 I will put 0. And now 10 times 12 equals 120. We will put the answer down. And now subtract. 4 minus 0 equals 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 1 minus 1 equals 0, which has no meaning. And now we finished till 24. I will take it to another side or section. Let's solve it. 24 divided 12 equals what? Equals 2. Because we have here 12 times 2 equals 24. And now subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. To get the final answer, we are going to add 400 plus 10 plus 2. It will be 412, which is the answer. So, to solve using the area model, we need to draw a rectangle, write the dividend here, the divisor here, and the quotient up. Here, another example with remainder. We are going to make it using the same way. And now, let's solve this together. Use the area model strategy to solve the division equation. We have here 2,207 divided by 7. How to solve it? I will take the dividend here in the box, like this, and the divisor out, like this. And now, let's start. We will make 2 divided 7. Can we make 2 divided 7? No, we can't, because we can't make small number divided big number. So we will take 2 digits. It will be 22. 22 divided 7. Can we make it? Yes, we can. So let's search in table 7 for number close and less than 22. Let's write table 7. Here we have 7 by 1 is 7. 7 by 2 is 14. 7 by 3 is 21. 7 by 4 is 24. 4. 7 by 5 is 35. 7 by 6 is 42. And now we need 22. It's between 21 and 24. So we will take which one? 21 or 24? Super, sure. We will take 21 because it's close and less. And now here is 7 by 3 is 21. I will write the 3 up and 21 down. And here we have 2 zeros, 0 and 7, 2 digits. We didn't use them, so we will put instead of them 2 zeros up. So instead of this 0, we will put another 0 up. Instead of this 7, we will put a 0 here. So here the quotient will be 300. And now if we make 300 times 7 equals what? 2100. And now let's subtract. 7 minus 0 equals what? Equals 7. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 2 minus 1 equals 1. And 2 minus 2 equals 0, which has no meaning. And now we will take 107 to another section to solve it. We will start from the 1. 1 divided 7 can't be. So I will take another digit, 0. It will be 10 divided 7. Yes, big divided small, it can be. So we will search in table 7 for a number close and less than 10. We have here 7, super. So we will write 1 up, and instead of this 7, we will put 0. And now let's make times. 10 times 7 equals what? I have here 10 times 7 equals 70. So we will write here 70. Ones under ones and tens under tens. Let's now subtract. 7 minus 0 equals 7. And 0 minus 7, it can't be. I will put a 1 here. So it will be 10 minus 7 equals 3. So the answer 37. Do we have finished? No. Let's check our answer. We have here 37 and here 7. Can we make divide again? Yes, we can. So I will take the 37 to another section to make divide. First, we will take 3. 3 divided 7 can't be because small minus big can't be. I will take another digit, which is 7. 37 divided 7, yes, it can. Let's search in table 7 for a number close and less than 37. We have here 5 because 7 by 5 equals 34. So here 5 by 7, 34. Let's make minus. And now 7 minus 5 equals 2. And 3 minus 3 equals 0. So the answer will be 315. 300 plus 10 plus 5, which is 315. Now let's divide 5,479 divided by 15. As we said before, we will write the dividend here and the divisor out like this. And the quotient will be up. We will start. 5 divided 15 can't be because it's a small number divided big number. So I will take another digit. 54 divided 15, yes, it can be. Now let's search in table 15 for a number close and less than 54. Here 15 times 1 equals 15. 15 times 2 equals 30. 15 times 3 is 45. 15 times 4 is 60. No, 60 is bigger than 54. So we will take 45, which is 15 times 3. I will write the 3 up, and instead of the digit 7 and the digit 9, we will put 2 zeros like this. Now let's make multiply. 300 multiply 15, it will be what? Let's kick the 2 zeros down, and 3 by 15 is 45. So the answer will be 4,500. And now let's subtract. 9 minus 0 is 9, and 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 5 can't be. We will borrow 1 from the 5. So it will be here 4 and here 14. 14 minus 5 is 9, and 4 minus 4 is 0. Now 979. Can we make it divided 15? Yes. So I will write it in the other section and start from the beginning. 9 divided 15. It can be. No, it's small minus big. So I will take another digit. 97 divided 15. Yes. So let's search in table 15 for number close and less than 97. Here we wrote the table till to reach 60. So we need to write more. We will write 15 by 5 is 75, 15 by 6 is 90, 15 by 7 is 105, is bigger, so we can't take it. I will take the last one, which is 15 by 6 equals 90. Now we will write the 6 up, and instead of the 9 I will put the digit 9 in the ones place. I will put 0, so it will be 60. And now when we make 60 times 15, I will put the 0 down, and 6 by 15 is 90, so it will be here 900. Now let's make minus. 9 minus 0 equals 9, and 7 minus 0 equals 7. 9 minus 9 is 0, so it will be 79. Can we make 79 divided 15? Yes, because it's bigger than 15. So I will take the 79 in the other side like this and search for the table, or check from the beginning. 7 minus 15 can't be, so we will take the 9. It will be 79 divided 15. Now the closest number in the table is 15 by 5 here, so I will write the 5 up and the 15 down, 75 down. Now let's make minus. 9 minus 5 equals 4, and 7 minus 7 equals 0. I will ask myself, can we make divided again? 4 divided 15? No, because it's a smaller than 15. Do we have another digit to use it? No. So the 4 here is called remainder. And now 300 plus 60 plus 5 to get the answer. It will be 365 plus 4 remainder, or R remainder 4. Now in number 2, match the correct area model that represents each problem and fill in the missing numbers, then use the area model to answer each problem. Here in the first question we have 9,234 divided by 81. Which one of these two area models represent 9,234 divided by 81? Super, it's the second one. And now let's see, here 9,234 divided by 81. Which here number it will be times 81 to get 8,100? It will be here 100. Super. So 100 times 81, 8,100. And let's move to the second box here. What times 81 to get 810? It will be 10. Excellent. So 10 by 81, 810. Let's move to the third one. What times 81 to get 162? I don't know. So let's write table 81. 81 by 1 is 81. 81 by 2 here, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 6 is, 2 times 8 is 16. So is 162. So we are in table 2. So write 2 up. And also in the last one here, 162. So what times 81 to get 162? It will be also table 2. So to get the final answer, we are going to add all of them. 100 plus 10 plus 2 plus 2, which means 114. And there is no remainder because we have here 0. So it will be 114. So for sure, the first area model, it will be with letter B. We will match it with letter B. And now here, let's find the total or the final answer. We have here 100, we wrote it, 10, we wrote it, 6, he wrote it. So the answer will be 116. And here 26 as a remainder, so plus R26 or R26. So the answer 116 and the remainder is 26. Thank you for listening. I hope it was an easy lesson for you.